Hello traders, how was the day today? So the trade plan today was we have to stay above the 5570 line, and if we can stay above the 5570 line, we will see 5590 to 92 at least. And we were keeping in mind that the 90 to 92 area was actually the 20 EMA line of the daily chart. So we were thinking that if it gets rejected from here, it may come down to the 68 area again, and then we can go down to the low of yesterday. But that did not happen, and there were multiple setups that worked out. And based on that, let us see how we played the whole day. I actually could not get into these two longs and shorts here because my internet was down. And by the time the internet came back, we were already around 11 o'clock, bar number 18, right? So when we did the morning analysis, we were around this area. We were thinking if we come down here and then we can go back up to the top again to the 5604 area, provided we go through the 5596 line. And then we can try to get above to the 11, 12 area and then to the 17 area maybe. So we gapped up almost 40 points. At that time itself, I was thinking that since we have gapped up 40 points, maybe it will turn into a trading range somewhere. I was expecting the trading range to happen here, but it happened a little bit higher. There were no entries around bar 1 because this was a bearish bar and this was a trading range bar. It was not solid. It did not give you any indication what was happening. However, on the ETA chart, we were kind of bullish and we went back straight to hit the 4-hour 20 EMA and got rejected from there, and that is above our 04 line. As soon as we went above 04 line, immediately the next candle rejected it. The next candle was the give up bar by the bulls. And then we came down to the lows where we were looking for, right? So we came down to the 7-6 area. I wanted to see if 7-6 breaks down because that is exactly where we had the 200 EMA as well. And instead of that, it gave a solid signal bar here. If I was trading, I would have gone long here and I would have targeted the top of this range again. But if you see, the trading range already got created here. So when I came back, bar number 19 happened. I did not go long here because this was a very restrictive area to go long. So I took a short below bar number 20 and I was looking for a 1:1 of this whole range, which we actually did get, and I came out again at this balance area. Also, if you notice, there was a kind of a wedge structure that was getting created here. So I was actually hoping for 20 points below bar 20, but we did not get that. We started bouncing at this level itself. And then when I saw bar 28 also bounced, I actually put my stop loss right above bar number 28, and bar number 29 immediately took it out. Now, if you see in this exact balance area, we started bouncing again. This was kind of high 1, this was high 2. I was waiting for price to get above this 85 level, and I finally went long above bar number 37. I took just one contract here, and when we crossed above this 88 line here, 90, I took one more contract. Again, my first exit was at the 0708 area. That is where I exited first. I was holding on to my long to see if we can cross the 11 area and then get up to the 17. When we actually touched 16 and started getting rejected, I pulled down my stop loss to 5612, and I got kicked out of that by this bar number 66. I did not take any trades after that because it was already 255, and anyways we got into a tight trading range. So as of now, we have this wedge here that got created, right? And above this wedge, we have tried to break above this wedge multiple times, but every time we have gone there, we have not been able to sustain that. There has been no good follow throughs and we have been falling down again. So those were the setups that you could have taken today. So all the possible trades that were here short below bar number 6, and if you count it from here, this started at 5607 and this came down to 5576. So that was a 30-point drop here. You could have easily got 10-12 points in this area. Again, during this bounce, this was a very good signal candle. If you did not buy into bar number 9 after the 4 bearish bars, bar number 11 was forcing you to get long again, and that would have got you again to the top of this range. And then we shorted below bar number 20. Actually, we got to the target, and then we went long around 86 and then again at 90, and we came out at our targets at the top. So those were all the trades that we took today. Going into tomorrow, the 9-2 area will play a very vital role because that is the 20 EMA on the daily chart. So that area will play a very vital role, especially this bar number 41. We have to make sure that we do not fall below this bar number 41, and if we hold this, the hourly bulls may actually want to get to 5642. So I will come up with a video for the expectations for tomorrow in maybe in the next 1 hour, and then we will see what are the different possibilities that we can have for tomorrow. So that is all I have for now. Please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. you.